Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a fruit. It is a unique fruit that is a hybrid between a plum and an apricot. It combines the tartness of a plum with the sweetness of an apricot, offering a delightful and juicy flavor. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as plumcot, plumcot, plum, cot, plumcot. An interesting fact about plumcots is that they are a result of crossbreeding between different species of fruit trees, a process known as hybridization. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about plumcots, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.